G'day guys, welcome back. This is going to be a part of our new series, our Squaredrop camper build. We've slowly been pulling down our last camper, and we're going to be starting our new build now. It's going to be a long series. There's going to be lots of episodes, sort of step by step, and how we're going to do it until it's finished, until our first trip away. So let's start. So we just got all the floor and roof cut up, and we're just about to cut the top angle, that part. So got the two of these, and the angle we're going at is from here to here is 900, and this section here from there to there is 300. But 600 and across. We have to go a little bit longer because the wood cutting from this angle to here, bring it down to here, will come to about here. So cut a little bit longer on the next one, so it matches up to here. And that will be our top angle. So that's going to be the side of the camper. 1200 high, 2.4 long by 1500 deep. That's going to be the general side shape. So Britt's just going to whack in this little board onto the floor, just as a temporary hold. That way we can try to get the sides on and without it moving around too much. So we've got the floor and wall semi-mounted together, so I just try to screw the wall on, which is laying down right now, onto the floor. But I need to go in from underneath. Couldn't really do it on the ground, so we got it up on here. Got some semi holding it a little bit. Just need to crack some screws in the bottom. And we pull it down and get the other side of the wall on. we're putting on the back part of the roof just to help it sort of support, and then we'll go around and tack it all in properly. So it is now starting to take shape. Still so much more to do, but the general shape's there. Kitchen will be in the back. Big window and the door. I want to get access from both sides, so I want to put like a double door in. A door on one side, a door on the other side. I want one of the doors probably on the left side. I want it to be a lot bigger because there's going to be storage on the inside as well. I don't want to have to crawl in. Well, we don't want to have to crawl in every single time to grab something out of one of the cupboards. So I want one of the doors to be a big lifting door that I can reach in, get storage underneath, up inside of there. And I'll probably put a window on that door as well, so the windows on either side, the vents on top. Should be good. Here you go, puppy. Alright, so I'm going to do this front part just to make it a bit more sturdier so it doesn't wobble around too much. So I've got the front here. Fortunately, there's going to be a seam straight down the middle on these front pieces. So this is one of them.
So it's 1476 wide.
What was it?
1476.
1476.
But
that's the
to
width.
get in the middle, it's 738.
So we need to cut two of these offcuts at
738.
738, which I've already marked it. So that's going to be one half of the front, and then cut another one up for the other half. That will make the fifth, whatever it was, 1476 by 900, which can then go on the front.
Oh, let me get my earmuffs.
Hearing protection.
And these ones, because it flies out a lot.
So that's sort of how the front little piece is going to sit. Not screwed in, it's just sort of sitting there. Straight.
That's the front, isn't it?
This is the...
Yep. Measured up. James just measured up this side. Measure once, cut twice.
I was measuring twice.
And that's going to sit on there. It's turned into a little bit of a measure twice, cut once type of guy.
No. Alright, so now this is going to be for that angle on the roof. So I've got to cut that with 1500 by whatever that measurement was. So
670?
670. Yes. 1500 by 670 to go on the front. sort that out. So I'll get this marked up. I'll start cutting it out.
So what's that there?
It's 1500.
Yep.
So we'll cut the 1500. And we'll cut the 670 out of it after.
James again with the measure twice and cut once. Now he's just doing the 670, so that can go on this part here.
Just
So does this cut the 1500? So why is that piece longer? Are you sure you did?
I did pretty good measurements. I just think it's just somewhere there's a
Perfect.
So what's that, Jim?
that is. So we decided instead of using
that's
that was
right.
really good. Instead of using steel for the framing, we decided just to go by 2x4s. It's plenty strong enough. That's one of many.
Hold on.
Lucky you're here.
He would have
it doesn't fit!
he would have figured it out once he got it in there.
It's a bit short.
What did I do wrong? Oh, it's on loose. Okay, go on the other corner now.
Is that just support?
Yeah, this is instead of doing like a steel frame, we just want to do these 2x4s because it's very strong as it is.
Nice.
What and push it to where?
Up against the angled piece.
Yeah, hold.
James, screw in, mate, screw in.
Nice. God, and this was only day one. We're working on the same day.
No, you gotta make an extra video, James.
But lucky Toby did. There's going to be many videos.
Oh,
Give it 2 years. Usually get something.
grab
There is a lot to do.
grab your other one and put some screws in that one, hold it there.
Copy that. So you can sort of see what's going on now. So the bench top will sit on here, and then the backsplash will sit up to here, and then behind this wall that's not here right now, there'll be some storage up the top. I might even put some other little stuff in here around. an update. We've got the backsplash of the kitchen framing all put in, and we just need to put the backsplash on, and then find a nice kitchen bench to go in, and figure out what we're going to do about this back door, and then the doors to get on the inside, and where I'm going to put the windows, and then the vent for the roof. Also a mattress. It's been a long day. And that is going to be the end of this episode. So probably working on it tomorrow. But for now, we're going to call it a night. Give you a rundown on what we've got so far. So it's all ready for the splashboard to go on, and the bench top, and then the back door, the doors, figure out where we're going to put the windows, and then a lot of sanding and puttying, and then try to figure out how to get it onto a trailer. That's where we're at. Thank you guys. Alright guys, see you next one.